Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today in this video, we will see how to automatically highlight the data of a particular row in which you are working or you are observing the data. So suppose if I want to go through the Rahul's data. So to see the Rahul's data, I need to highlight that particular row of that Rahul's data, and maybe I can highlight it with the color, or I can select that particular row and then I can get the much better visibility. So to do that, if you will do the thing manually, it will be a very time consuming task, like to highlight a single thing manually. To avoid doing this, we have a simple trick, and which will hardly take a minute or less than a minute. So we have a data over here, the salesperson's, like we have a salesperson's data and the person's monthly data. Like in this January month, this particular person has done 118 sales. Then in February it has done 88 sales. So to highlight, like if I want to see this particular data of a particular person, I need to highlight all the sales. So to apply this trick, first we need to select our data. Now I have selected the data cell. I will go to conditional formatting and I will set a new rule. So to set a new rule, I will use a formula to determine which cells to format. So here I will be writing a formula as equal to cell and then bracket, inverted comma, row, inverted comma, close, bracket close, equal to row, and to be giving the parenthesis. Now I want the cell to be highlighted in a particular color as light orange, and I will press OK and again OK. So you can see that by default first cell has been highlighted because our cursor was very first cursor was on the first cell, and or we can say it as a C4. So now to activate this conditional formatting, we will right click on this sheet 1. We'll go to view code. Here maybe if you are selecting or if you are opening it for the first time, it might come on a general. So first you have to make it on the worksheet, and then here you will write active cell equal to active cell dot calculate, and just you have to close this. And now if I am selecting this row, so you can see that that highlighted part is coming on the Shivansh. Now if I will select Advik, so it is giving me the highlighting part on that particular row. So that's all for this video. See you in next video with a new trick.